When a customer came in complaining that the check engine light was on, I began by connecting a scan tool to diagnose the issue. The scan tool revealed the code P0141 O2 sensor heater circuit, bank 1 sensor 2. This code indicates a problem with the heater circuit in the oxygen sensor located in bank 1, sensor 2. To investigate further, I performed a road test while monitoring live data on the scan tool. During the test, I noticed that the oxygen sensor's B1S2 parameter intermittently dropped out, suggesting an issue with the sensor's functionality. I proceeded with a visual inspection of the oxygen sensor's wiring harness and connector to check for any visible issues, such as frayed wires, corrosion, or loose connections. Everything appeared to be in good condition, with no obvious faults detected. Next, I turned the ignition on, engine off, and used a multimeter to check for voltage and ground at the oxygen sensor connector. Both were present, confirming that the power supply and ground circuit to the sensor were functioning properly. To narrow down the problem, I used the multimeter to test the continuity of the oxygen sensor's heater circuit. The test showed that continuity was not present, indicating that the internal heater element of the oxygen sensor, B1S2, was faulty. The heater circuit is critical because it ensures the sensor reaches its operating temperature quickly, allowing the engine control module, ECM, to receive accurate readings for optimal air-fuel mixture adjustments. Based on these findings, I determined that the oxygen sensor, B1S2, needed to be replaced. After installing a new oxygen sensor, I cleared the fault codes and performed another road test to verify the repair. The vehicle operated smoothly, the check engine light remained off, and no fault codes returned. This step-by-step approach ensured the problem was accurately diagnosed and properly resolved. Testing for voltage, ground, and continuity allowed me to confirm the sensor's failure without replacing unnecessary parts. The oxygen sensor heater circuit is essential for reducing emissions and maintaining engine efficiency, making its proper function critical to overall vehicle performance.